Hi kids, today we are painting the shapes inside the butterfly. Let's count how many figures. Do you know the name of these figures? Which one is this? One circle, two circles, three circles, four circles. We are painting with yellow color. Let's start. One square, two squares, three squares, four squares. We're painting with green color. Let's start.
He picked it up and put it in his pocket.
1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Let's start to paint with red color. We are painting butterfly with pink color.
To my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Black color.